Welcome to 1 Minute Mastery. If you like microlearning, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. My name is George, and today I'm going to walk you through an experiment we did with ChatGPT. We asked ChatGPT what happens to the economy if AI and robots replace most of the workforce. The answer was surprisingly logical. It quickly immersed us in a rabbit hole called the automation paradox. Be warned, the response is filled with hypothetical concepts that factor business, economics, political science, organizing principles of government, and even the relationship between work and citizenship. Buckle up, here we go. Let's say factories, logistics companies, and even office jobs start using automation to cut costs. Sounds efficient, right? But here's the problem. If millions of workers lose their jobs, they lose their income. And if people don't have money, they stop spending. But the US economy, like most consumer-driven economies, relies on people spending money. Everyday purchases from the middle and lower class drive demand for everything from food and clothes to cars and entertainment. So if AI takes over jobs without a plan for income redistribution, we could see massive demand collapse. Businesses lose customers, non-essential industries shrink or disappear. Even the ultra-wealthy who rely on consumer markets to make their billions would feel the hit. It's an economic paradox. Companies replace workers to increase profits, but in doing so, they eliminate the very customers who keep them in business. So, what can be done? Economists and futurists propose several models. Universal basic income, where everyone gets a guaranteed check to keep money circulating even if traditional jobs disappear. Robot taxes, where companies pay a fee for every job replaced by automation, with that money used to fund public services or income programs. Digital dividends, and where we're paid for our data and attention, since that's what feeds AI systems. Post-work societies, where productivity is handled by machines and human life centers around creativity, learning, community, and well-being, with basic needs provided through new economic systems. It's clear, AI is powerful, but if we don't rethink how people earn and spend money, we risk a collapse in consumer capitalism. Automation without inclusion is a system destined to fail, but there is hope. If we act with purpose, we can build a future where technology empowers people, not replaces them.